Alright guys, welcome back to part 2 of AI audiobook project using Python. So I want you to sit back, chillax, and let's start coding. Now I want to go back to our terminal and type pip install edge tts and we're going to press enter. Sorry, we want to type pip install edge underscore tts. Now let's press enter and see. Yeah, we are getting requirement already satisfied because I have this module installed on my PyCharm. If you don't, you're going to see it installed. Now let's go back to our script. Now I want to import this module ASY async IO. This module wants tags that can wait. Now we want to also import our edge TTS. Now I want to say from extract PDF, we want to import our storyline variable. Now I want to create a variable named text. This text variable is going to be equals to the storyline of our previous module. If you are joining us now, to know what the storyline module or this extract PDF module is, kindly watch part 1. Now, we're going to create another variable named voice. And this voice is going to be equal to the voice we're going to give our AI. I want it to be in English and in Great British accent. Now we're going to create an asynchronous function using the async module. So we'll say async, then we'll create our function, define our function, and name of our function to be main. Remember what the async does? It is a module that runs a task that can wait. It's either you're waiting for the CPU of the system to run with the task or something else. Now we're going to create a variable named communicate. And this variable is going to be equals to the edge TTS dot communicate. And we want the text variable we created earlier to communicate with the voice, or should I say the voice should link to the text variable. Now I want to use a keyword called await, and it's going to carry the communicate variable dot save, and the name of the file we are saving is going to be night at midnight .mp3. Now the await function tells Python to wait until the audio is fully generated. That is what the await keyword does. It tells Python, wait, let the audio generate completely. Now let's run our function. Remember, our function is an asynchronous function. So we'll break out of our function and we'll say async IO dot run, and we're running the main function. Now this starts the asynchronous system and runs the function. Now, for us to play the audio, we have to use a module that can work with sound. In this video, we will use Pygame for this function. Now let's import Pygame. So I'll go here. I'll say from Pygame, I'm going to import a class named Mixer. Now I'll come here and I'll go say Mixer dot initialize. Now let's load the audio. So I'll say Mixer dot music dot load, and we are loading the night at midnight .mp3. Now let's play our audio. So we'll say mixer dot music dot play. Now let's run the code and see whether it plays. Now, as you can see, the audio did not play because the program does not have a way to keep the audio alive before the audio finishes. As it is now, the audio didn't even start before the program stopped running. Now let's fix that. Now I want to create a while loop. So say while mixer dot music dot get busy. This while loop keeps the program alive until the audio is finishing. So this while loop checks if the audio is still playing. So we are going to say time dot sleep for 0.1 second. Now before I run the code, can you like, share, drop a comment, guys? Drop a comment in the comment section. Now let's run the code and see.
The knock at midnight. The house was silent. The clock ticked past midnight. A sudden knock echoed through the hallway. She froze, holding her breath. No one was expected tonight. The knock came again, louder this time. Her phone buzzed, but the screen was blank. The lights flickered, then went dark. She reached for the door with trembling hands. The handle turned slowly, on its own. A shadow slipped inside without a sound. And the knock began again, from upstairs. The end.
Alright guys, this is AI audiobook in Python. As you can see this, the MP3 is already saved on my PC. I can play it anytime I want. So you can use this as to build a project or to solve a problem. So guys, thank you very much for watching.